Rise and grind. Back at you with another video with the Pull-Up King. And I'm working on this Ford Mustang. I'm gonna do a mod on it. Yes, I do mods on clients' vehicles, so if you're interested, yeah, hit me up, get a quote. But this grill here is for a client of mine, long-time client, and I'm gonna show you how I install this thing here. Stick around. So we got our running lights, and basically that's where I'm going to install the wiring. I'm going to connect to the running lights, so every time those lights come on, those shine. All right, so this whole bumper got to come off so we can gain access to the grill. These are the connectors that I'm going to be using to it's a female and a male, to connect them, because I want to plug in. I don't want to have to wire them together and keep them that way. They can always pull it out if you need to be, unplug it and do it that way. Alright, since the bumper is coming off for this install, we're going to be changing out these new HID bulbs. First, we're going to start with these tags. Got them all around. We got these bolts here. So we're gonna go to the side and see what we got to do over here. We got 3 tags. So we got these 3 tabs here. Right back here. Now you can pull back like that. Underneath, man, we got these. We got these bolts under here. There's 2 of them on each side. Get to that grill. We should be able to pop these tabs out. Show you how they look. Should be able to get a flat head or something. Boom. All the way around, and it pop right out. Alright, so it looked like we got to take out this one first. Put these tags. lights are all up. Got that piece out. See these tabs. Look like that emblem going back in there. Nah. Alright, on the back side of the aftermarket part, got a red and black. As you can see, we're connected here, and they have a connector here and here. That's power source right here. Okay, so this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna take our connector, the female connector, and these two wires are gonna go connect. I'll show you how we do that. Okay, so I'm gonna take this wire and connect that in there. I'm gonna do the same on this side for that wire. And actually, I'm gonna cut some back and fold it up some so to go in there that way. Okay, so that's how I did that. Alright, I'm gonna stick that in there, crimp it down. I am not an electrical specialist. I don't do this wiring stuff for a living, but that's how that's gonna go. Got a little knowledge with wiring. I know how to do radio installs and stuff like that. Speakers, subwoofers. But yeah, man, it's gonna work though. Alright, that's what it's gonna look like. Alright, it's both of them. And next we're gonna, this is the connector. And basically this is what it's gonna look like. I'll be able to pull that out. Alright, next we're gonna take out this headlight assembly. Pull it back so we can gain access to those wires back here and replace the light bulbs. Got a bolt here, here, and here. Leave those and let it come out. Let's see. Headlight bulb, HID. I'll replace that. And this is the wire we're going to connect to for those running lights. HID light. Tabs gotta spread out, push them out on both sides, and then release. And give you these little gloves to go with it. I'm gonna throw these on so you don't mess up the bulb. Both in. Alright, this is my setup. You can see the lights are on. Make sure they come on with the lights. Yeah. Ready to go back in with this. Lights connected. Done back in. Hit the sides. Alright, we're good. The bolts at the bottom. That's it.